Tradewiz had some major updates in the past few weeks and is by far the fastest copy trading bot on Solana. And very recently, they also launched a new copy trading bot on BNB, and turns out it's also now the fastest copy trading bot on BNB as well. So in today's video, I'll basically showcase you how you can copy trade memecoin traders using this bot. Because I already created a similar videos on my channel before, but we are copy trading traders on Hyperliquid who are trading perpetuals. So now it's the time to copy trade memecoins as well. So if you want to get started with Tradewiz, the first thing you need to do is go to the description down below and you will find two links there. The first link is going to be to the Solana trading bot, and the second link will lead you to BNB bot. They're going to open in Telegram just like this. You just click start and you'll be able to do everything inside of the Telegram bots, or you can use the web app, just like how I'm using it right now on Solana. However, the web app isn't yet available for BNB, but still it has the full functionality inside of the Telegram, so you can use it there. I'm just going to focus in this video on the Solana trading part, and I'm going to use the web app because I personally don't like using Telegram bots for any trading. I find it very time consuming to learn all this layout. It's way easier for me to trade inside of the web app. So you just, when you click start, just click right here to start copy trade web app. And Tradewiz also offers you an extension for Google Chrome. However, I'm not going to showcase it in today's video. We'll just focus on the web app. And with Tradewiz, you can find the profitable wallets to copy trade and execute all the copy trading inside of the same platform. But before we even begin, let's just go to the trade settings, because I figured out the default trading settings on Tradewiz aren't really that good. So I just changed my buy slippage on every setting to 15 and my buy fee everywhere to 0.001. I've been personally using similar settings without any issues so far. However, if you don't execute the trades very fast, make sure to slightly bump up your buy tip and buy fee. And I turned off the MEV protection for buy and sell orders because I'm going to use very small amounts of capital per trade, so I don't risk getting MEV. If you are using like 0.5 Solana or higher, then make sure to use buy MEV protection. And I personally never seen anyone getting MEV'd when selling, so you can just uncheck this box. And now let me quickly show you how you can find profitable wallets to trade for it. Just go to smart money, and right here you have two main sections, top 200 KOLs and top smart money. And if you are trying your luck copy trading and you are going after KOLs, unfortunately you are going to lose. Those guys are making money because people like you want to copy trade them, make easy money since they see those large PNLs, and this is exactly why those guys are making money and people who are copy trading them don't. Because if you have, let's say, 1,000 people copy trading this guy, whenever he buys, he has 1,000 people who are buying after him. So it's pretty much obvious that this guy is going to end up in profit every single time, but people who are going to copy trade him are going to end up in the loss, since he can literally sell after a few seconds after everybody who is copy trading him gets in. So this is the reason why I personally don't like copy trading KOLs. You can definitely just copy their wallet address, put it in your wallet tracker, in your Nova, GMGN or whatever, and just see what they're buying and not necessarily copy their moves. But if you want to find a good wallet on Solana that's making money trading memecoins, the top smart money is going to allow you to do exactly that. You can obviously put filters to find the right wallet. If I was trying to find a good wallet, I would definitely search for daily tokens that it's at least 10, so it's an active trader, and that it's actually making consistent profit on a daily basis. You can also click on any wallet and it's going to open a new window where you can analyze it fully. This one is quite fresh. It's been trading for just 3 days and it made 1.2 million. So it's definitely a bot. I wouldn't copy trade this wallet. But anyway, with this dashboard, you have all the info necessary to figure out if this trader is profitable long term and how you can go about copy trading him. Because you see all his trades, how much money he made, how much money he lost, what's his average position size. You have all the information, so you can then decide how you can copy trade this guy. I didn't do much research on him, but let's just say that we are going to create a copy trading task for this wallet. You just click create copy task, and right here is where the magic happens. The first thing is the name and the target wallet. So you first input in the name, let's just call him very high win rate, then separated by comma and paste in the wallet address. And now let me just break down every setting so you can copy trade with the highest highest chances of getting profits, as long as you found a profitable wallet, of course. So first, basic copy settings. You can either select fixed copy or buy ratio. With fixed copy, you just specify how much Solana you want to buy for every single time he buys, and Sol spending limit is how much Solana in total you are delegating to copy trade this wallet. Let's just say I want to use maximum 1. And buy ratio is working in a different way. So for example, if he's going to buy 1 Solana and I set up my buy ratio by 50%, I'm just going to buy 0.5 Solana. So it's going to be 50% of what he actually bought. It's very, very simple. You can use either one. Next is the copy sell. I personally run it on, so you also copy his sells. But if you prefer, you can create your own tasks for auto selling, but I will cover this in just a second. Next option is buy dip, and it allows you to create a limit order so you can buy at a lower price. Let's just say the buy change will be 10%, so you're just waiting to buy 10% lower than this person. So for example, he bought at 100k market cap, you are waiting for the price to dip 10%, so you're going to get a better entry at 90k market cap, which will allow you to get better entries. Very simple. Below, you can set up which DEX pools you are willing to trade, and below there are the trade settings. You can customize them for every single wallet. However, they are always going to apply the default settings that I showed you a few minutes ago. Next, the second section is the advanced copy settings. And if you do turbo mode, you don't have to do anything on this section because it's going to be pretty much bypassed just to get the trade executed as fast as possible. But if you want to have more control on your copy trading, then disable turbo mode and set it up manually. For example, you can do token market caps. If you don't want to trade brand new tokens, you can fix it there. And also you can specify the amount of buys you want per token, etc. It has a lot of settings right here, but if you don't want to bother with it, just stick to the turbo mode. And now the last section is auto sell. You can create custom take profits and stop losses. If you want to create another order, just click add. You can also remove them. And for example, if the price is going to pump 100%, we are going to sell 50%. It's quite simple. You can also have a trading stop loss. So it's basically a stop loss that's following the price. Let's say you bought a token at 100k and it keeps pumping. You can set up a trading stop loss that whenever the price moves down, let's say 20% from the highest point, you are just going to sell. So you're locking in more profit, because at the end of the day, you don't know how high the token can go. So trailing stop loss is very, very useful. Next option is the dev sell. You can set it up that if developer is going to sell any amount or whole amount, you're going to sell percentage of your supply. And also you have an option to sell after a specific time passed, like for example 60 seconds, but I personally wouldn't use it. And once your settings are done, just click create copy tasks, and you just created a copy task for this wallet. I'll just pause it for now because I personally didn't do much research on this wallet, but it's basically how you can copy trade wallets on Solana. And it was basically an overview of the Tradewiz. And if you want to get more advanced tutorials on how to find the best wallets and what are the best settings for copy trading, then just leave the suggestions in the comments. I'm reading all of the comments on all of my YouTube videos, and I'll just make a new video for you if you ask for it. And recently I started getting DMs asking if I have my own group or if I do mentorship. And the short answer is no. However, I'm working with a trading group that's very decent, and right now they have a Black Friday deal, and this trading group is Data's Alpha Circle. I've been there since launch, and those guys are completely amazing at finding leverage trades, spot trades. Like, look at this. For example, they found Aster at 0.08 cents and it went to about $2.5. The trades they've been doing here are very good. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the most recent ones because they would kick me from the group, but if you've been following my Telegram channel, you know that I'm profitable by following the calls in this group. Also, they are doing live streams. They have a live stream schedule for every Sunday, but the amount of live streams is around 2 or 3 during the week with all the market updates. And if you are interested in getting access to this group, just make sure to use the links in the video description below. And when you use your credit card, you are going to lock in the discounted prices forever, as long as you are keeping your subscription. But when you pay with crypto, crypto, it's a one-time deal. So if you figure out that this group is something that you are looking for, then I would go with higher plan. But yeah, if anybody else is going to keep asking me for my private group, I'm just going to redirect those guys to this group because it's one of the best groups in crypto that I've been part of. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you want to see how I front run every major runner on Solana, make sure to watch this video.